Hi guys, welcome back to MamaDollBoss. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale. Today I am going to build a neutral doll space. This is one that I created in the beginning and it was all messed up. So I've peeled all the wallpaper off and I'm just going to get back to the basic doll room. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do my crafting. And I am an amateur, so I don't want you to think this is by any means professional, but I'm gonna do the best I can and have fun while I'm doing it because I do love making my doll spaces, even though I just wish they were more streamlined and beautiful, but practice makes better and we're gonna go right for it. So stay tuned, just watch and see what I'm doing and then I'll come right on back. So I'm going to jump in real quick because I don't have a lot of space to display like doll houses. I have a few and space is getting really limited. So I do want to finish the outside of the box with like it looking like an actual doll house per se. It's not going to be like an actual doll house, but I want to give it the look of like the front of the dollhouse and the side of the dollhouse where this window is. So I was just contemplating what scrapbook paper I'm going to use, and I thought about doing some siding and just watch me as I try to do this, and we'll go from there. So now what I want to do is double up the cardboard so that the structure is overall just stronger. And oh my god, as you see, I'm doing a voiceover, so I can tell you beforehand that I made a big mistake, and I will come on back and tell you guys about that as soon as I get to that point. Oh my goodness, crafting is just not easy for me. I mean, I'm gonna keep practicing at it, but oh my goodness, like they make it look so easy, but you just have to keep working at it. And I don't want to beat myself up because it's not like I do this. So again, I'm just gonna come on back and show you the mistake and what happened. So when I was doubling up the cardboard, I was stacking them together and I had to cut out a window and I had to put something heavy on top of it to weight it down. And I guess when I did that, it got off centered. So now it's glue and it's glued together. I was not able to like pull this apart. So now I'm gonna have to use foam board because I don't have a piece of cardboard large enough to cover, like to make a whole new window, a whole new wall with a window and double it up. So yeah, this is the big mistake, all a part of crafting. I'm gonna be completely honest and tell you the truth. So yeah. So now I have a piece of foam board that I got from Walmart. It was $1.69, I believe, and it measures 20 by 30 inches. So I'm just gonna cut a piece out. My walls are about 15 inches in height, and I'm just gonna cut out a 15-inch tall wall that's 15 by 14 inches and cut that out and cut out a window as well. So now I am measuring out the window and the wall, and I am going to use plastic from packaging to attach behind the wall and add some strips of cardstock or paperboard. No, it's cardstock, white cardstock on the window panes or on the plastic to make it look like window panes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm also going to cut the cutout from the window into some 1/2 inch strips, and then I'm going to cut out some 1.5 strips out of the other piece of foam board that I got from cutting out the wall. I'm going to add the brick paper on the other side of the wall with the window, and then lay the cutouts, the foam board cutouts, to frame the window, so to give it some dimension, and then go from there. So here is where we are so far. I glued poster board to the cardboard piece because it was pretty damaged from me pulling off of the previous wallpaper. And here is the window. I have the brick paper, scrapbook paper on one side, and then it was just white foam board. So I'm gonna glue these two pieces together right here, and then we can go from there. So just watch me as I do this, and yeah. Okay, so here is how the front of the house is looking. I don't like the siding, but I'm kind of stuck with it. It looks a little sloppy, but I mean, it is what it is. I mean, it's my first try or whatever. And then here is the side of the house with the actual window cut out. I am gonna glue grass to the cardboard here on both sides and then glue down this porch, and then we'll be pretty much done with the front of the house here. Okay, so here is how it is looking with the grass and the porch now. I mean, it looks a little bit better. It'll do for now. I'm just, like I said, I just have to keep practicing. And as I get better, my crafts will get better. But here's the front of the box with the grass and the little bushes or whatnot. And then we're just going to move to the inside. I'm going to glue in the baseboards, and then we can decorate the inside of the doll room. So now I'm going to put this artwork up. I made these paintings a while ago. I'm just going to hang them up in here. I'm going to glue them to the walls because, yeah, this, you know, permanently be in here. So, yeah. So now we could decorate. Let's bring in the sofa that I made. I'll have the video linked in the description box for anyone who is interested. Let's bring in the bookcase that I got from AliExpress. I'll put it right here. Let's add a plant. I got this on clearance at Target. It's like $1. Let's add a coffee table. I got that from Amazon. I'm also going to lay this rug down as well. I got this from Amazon as well. It's actually a mouse pad. So here is how the doll room on the inside came out with the decorations. And I think it came out super cute. I didn't mean to go so blue, but I do still like it. And the multicolor of the books give it a little variety. So this is pretty much it, guys. Please let me know what you think. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.